Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Ubuntu on a virtual machine. This doesn't request a whole bunch of powerful hardware, but you need to know that you have following resources before installing. Most importantly, you need a copy of Ubuntu ISO, then your computer must meet these minimum requirements. If you want to know how to install and configure VMware, here is the card you are looking for. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First you need to download Ubuntu, if you doesn't have a copy of it. To download, let's search it on Google. Type, download Ubuntu, and press enter. Here is the official website link, on the top search result. Just click it. Now you are on the official download page. Even though there are few versions, we are using Ubuntu Desktop 18.4 long-term support version for this. Clicking on the download link should start the download immediately. Please note, the file size is about 2 gigs. So you need a good internet connection to download this. Okay, as our file is downloaded successfully. Now let's install Ubuntu on VMware. First, you need to open VMware Workstation Player. VMware is totally free, for personal use, so you don't need to pay for this. Once you open VMware, click on Create a new virtual machine. In this new window, you need to choose a method to install Ubuntu. Choose second option, install a disk image file. As we already downloaded it. Click Browse, to locate your downloaded file, select, and click Open. Now you see, the file is selected, so we can proceed to next step. In this page, enter your personal details, and login credentials, which you need to enter when log into the system. When you are done, press Next. Here you can select a new name for your virtual machine, and also a new location to save virtual system files. When you are done, press Next. In here, select Store Virtual Disk as a single file, as it will increase the performance of your virtual machine. You can skip all other customization for now, as you can do it anytime after finishing your installation. After you clicking on Next, VMware will automatically start installing Ubuntu. This process may take a while. Find some biscuits and a cup of tea, and wait few minutes. You will see a lot of window flickering, resizing, and also executing some commands. Don't be upset, it is natural for this process. Okay, now you can see the welcome screen of Ubuntu operating system. Here, you need to enter your login credentials to proceed. Alright. Installation is complete. But, you need to do some post-installation steps to get this operating system usable. First, let's shut down the system for now. Now, you are going to edit some virtual machine settings for Ubuntu. Here, you can increase or decrease the amount of RAM for Ubuntu. Do not allocate more than half portion of your RAM, as it will cause some performance issues. Try to stick to recommended settings. You may adjust to all other settings as you want. But keep in mind, there are some critical settings. If you choose a wrong setting, the virtual machine will show some issues. You may increase the dedicated video memory also. Keep in mind that recommended settings are just more than enough. One last thing, do not forget to enable enhanced keyboard for your system before exit. After fine-tuning all settings, you can press OK to apply them. Congratulations! Now you have completed installing and fine-tuning some basic settings for your Ubuntu operating system. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please consider pressing subscribe button, as it encourages us a lot.